Dear students, in the last classes, we learned about the square root of the perfect numbers. Perfect numbers means earlier we have calculated the square roots of, say, if you take for example 9, the square root is 9. Like 16, its square root is 4. So those are called the perfect numbers. But if you want to calculate the square root of a non-perfect number like root 7, root 10, root 11, root 13 and that, what is the procedure or the way to find out the square root of these non-perfect numbers? Let us learn. The square root of non-perfect number, we have a formula that is root x plus or minus y is equal to root x plus or minus y by 2 root x. Let us try to understand this formula with an example. Let us find the square root of root 7. Remember, root 7 is not a perfect square because we know 4 is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. But how to find the square root of root 7? To calculate this, we have to find the nearest perfect square. The nearest perfect square less than or more than. Let us take 4. 4 is the nearest perfect square near to 7. So the 7 can be written as 4 plus 3. So now you take the formula. Here x in this above formula, x is a perfect square and y is a part of the given number. In this case, root 7, 4 is a perfect square plus 3 is a not perfect square. So we have divided 7 into two parts, out of which one is a perfect square and the other is a not perfect square. So with this, we can calculate this is root 4. Here, when you have written plus, then again here also we have to write only plus. Now, in case of plus y, this is 3 by 2 root x means 4. Again, I repeat, root 4 plus 3 by 2 root 4. Now, it is root 4 is 2 plus 3 by 2 into root 4 is 2. So this is 2 plus 3 by 4. We know that the value of 3 by 4 is 0.75. The value of root 7 is 2.75. Remember, when we are calculating the square roots of a non-perfect number, we get only an approximate value. This we will find out to verify whether this is a perfect answer or not. Instead of taking 4, let us take root 7 is equal to root 9 minus 2. Here, 9 is a perfect number and 9 minus 2 is 7. In the earlier example, we have taken 4 plus 3, where 4 is a perfect square. Here, we are taking 9 minus 2, where 9 is a perfect square. Here, the answer is root 9 minus 2 by 2 root 9. Okay? Now it is root 9 is 3 minus 2 by 2 into 3. That is 3 minus 1 by 3. This is 3 minus 1 by 3 means 0.33. So now the answer is 3 minus 0.33 is 2.67. Just to find. When you have taken 4 plus 3, the answer we have got is 2.75. When you have taken 9 minus 2, the answer is 2.67. I think you have understood. So in case of non-perfect square roots, we get only an approximate value of the square root. Now we take another example, root 10. Root 10 is equal to, it can be written as 9 plus 1. This is root 9 plus 1 by 2 root 9, because we are applying the formula. This is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3. This is 3 plus 1 by 6, where 1 by 6 is equal to 0.16. So the answer is 3.16. Take another example, root 13. Root 13 is also same. We are taking it as root 9 plus 4. So the answer is root 9 plus 4 by 2 root 9. This is 3 plus 2 by 3. Now it is 3 plus 2 by 3 is 0.66. So the answer is 3.66. Remember, all the answers are approximate values, remember. So another example, root 20 is equal to root 16, 4. This is root 16 plus 4 by 2 root 16. This is root 16 is 4 plus 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. This is 2 by root 16 is 4. Now the answer is 4 plus 1 by 2. This is 4.50. Square root of 47. Now it is the perfect square near to 47 is 49 minus 2. This is root 49 minus 2 by 2 root 49. This is square root of 49 is 7 minus 2 and 2 get cancelled. This is 1 by 7. This is 7 minus 1 by 7. The value of 1 by 7 is 0.15. So the answer is 6.85. We take another example, square root of 265. The nearest square root under near to 265 is 256 plus 9. This is root of 256 plus 9 by 2 root 256. The answer is square root of 256 is 16 plus 9 by 2 into 16. This is 16 plus 9 by 32. So it is 16 plus 9 by 32 is 0.28. Okay, so the answer is 16.28. The square root of 265 is 16.28. We take another example, square root of 378. The nearest square is 361 plus 17. This is square root of 361 plus 17 by 2 into 361. So the answer is square root of 361 is 19 plus 17 by 2 into 19. This is 19 plus 17 by 2 into 19 is 38. 17 by 38, it is 0.45. So the answer is 19.45. I think you have understood the concept of the finding the square root of a non-perfect numbers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, all my future videos will be notified to you. Thank you.